this was established 31 years ago, and we started to import English books into the bookshop about 28 years ago. And we chose to bring English books that speak about the Arab-Israeli conflict because we think it is important. Because although there are some English books available in Jerusalem, in West Jerusalem in fact, that speak about the conflict, but they don't necessarily tell the Palestinian story or the Palestinian narrative.
I always come back here when I come to Jerusalem, mainly because it's such a friendly place and it's sort of like a calm place in a city that's so kind of crazy, but also because it's really interesting to track what books they have and what they're promoting, and Ahmad is really knowledgeable, so whenever I tell him what I'm interested in, he helps me find the books. So for example, I was doing a journal article about narratives of the Nakba, so Palestinian stories on 1948.
They put on presentations and discussion groups. They get eminent local people like Gideon Levy from Haaretz to come and speak, and it's a lively place for debate. You always can walk in here and you can have a private corner, or you can start talking with your neighbour, and usually you find somebody who's very interesting to talk to.
So I mean, it's a really useful bookshop for PhD or MA researchers, and also I'm postdoctoral now. I finished my PhDs, but I still come here obviously to find books that are useful for me on the subject I'm interested in.
Try to bring books that don't only speak about the conflict but are thought-provoking. I mean, this is the word I like to use. And I think, somebody who wants to learn, somebody who wants to know what's going on and they want to get more information, we tend to be in a dangerous spot in that sense, because we do offer a range of topics within the same context and in the same place, and therefore anybody who's interested in this topic, they come to the shop and they feel they're being trapped because there's so many things that they want to get.